Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. First of all, just go to search bar and type here Windows PowerShell and then right click on it, select run as administrator. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands. So type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type here IP config space / flush DNS and hit enter. Then type here IP config space / renew and hit enter to execute the command. Then type in IP config space / release and hit enter. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window. Then just go to search bar, type here control panel, open it. Then select view by as category, then click on network and internet, click on network and sharing center, and then click on your internet connection. Once we are here, go to its properties, then click on IPv4, select the properties and check this box. Use the following DNS server addresses. Now type here 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Then click on OK. Close all windows one by one. Then go to search bar and type here internet options and then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to go to connections tab. Then from local area network, click on LAN settings and uncheck this box option, proxy server, uncheck this one and then click on OK. Close this and simply restart the system. You can also check out our description link or a pinned comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, that's it. Like the video and please do subscribe the channel.